Hello everyone and welcome to the start of another weekly vlog. It's Tuesday, I am out and about in London Bridge. I just had a lunch meeting with a PR lady, which was lovely, and now, well, I've kind of stopped work for the day. I'm going to meet my mum and sister and we're going to have a nice girly day out. We're going to meet around Waterloo. I'm at London Bridge now, but instead of hopping on the train, I think I might walk along the Thames. I used to come to this part of London all the time and I haven't in ages, so I'm really looking forward to just a nice stroll. I am by the Golden Hind now. This is the Golden Hind. It was owned by Sir Francis Drake. My sister actually had a birthday party on here. I think it might have been her, like, I don't know, 12th birthday party we had, and we learned all about gangrene and I loved it. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, it's such a nice day. I've missed my turning. I need to go down here. Here's an old wall. Whilst I'm here doing this walk, I might show you some of my favourite places along South Bank. This is one of my favourite pubs in London, I actually think. It's called the Anchor and it's so nice. The food is great and there's also a little outsidey bit here, but you can also sit outside looking over the Thames, which is nice. But yeah, I highly recommend this pub. I think I've also had like a birthday meal in here once. It was lovely. And then you have this gorgeous view of the Thames. You've got St. Paul's over there. Oh, I love London so much. I love that I live here. I feel so lucky. Then here we are coming up to Shakespeare's Globe. If you are ever after a nice restaurant on the Thames, the Swan here is amazing. The second floor though, not the top floor. The top floor is like posh. Second floor does really great, like, ooh, burgers and sausage and mash and stuff like that, but like nice. Here we go. So here's the Globe. I come here once a year to see comedy. We see the Comedy Store players every single year. The next one's coming up in October and we always get standing tickets to watch it because it feels like you're proper in part of the play. Also, this is a fact, that's not the original Globe. The original one burnt down. I think the fire in London, I might be wrong about that, but yeah, it was rebuilt and this is the newer one. This is the Tate Modern. I worked at the Tate Modern when I was at uni as a photography intern. So I basically, they have like loads of after hours like life drawing classes and poetry workshops, and I used to photograph them. And I exhibited in the Tate some of my work in 2011, which is another fun fact. So yeah, I love the Tate. I haven't actually been in there in years. I should probably go and have a look, but I can't be bothered. I think the next stop is one of my all-time favourite places in London. I hope it's open. Okay, this is not my favourite part, we're not there yet, but this is really cute. It's called the Wharf and it looks like, it reminds me of Disneyland. Like this building and all the little shops. It's really cute to come in. Lots of restaurants to eat at. There is also a little beach down here, which is nice too. This building is where they used to film This Morning, out of there. But I think they've moved studios now. Okay, so we are coming up to one of my favourite places, like all-time favourite places of London. This is Waterloo Bridge, and here, I haven't been here in ages, I love it so much. There's a book market under this bridge and it's just the best. Normally without the building works. And there's also normally a lot more stores here. Each of these holds all the books for all of the stores. There's only 2 here today. But let's have a look. So many books. I could spend hours here. And then here you have the infamous South Bank skate park, which was going to be demolished, but I think there was a petition and they saved it, which is great. So cool. I have met up with my mum and sister and we've come for some food at, where are we? Strada. I had lunch with my PR woman a little bit earlier, so I've just got a couple of sides. I've got some garlic bread and some broccoli. Look how cool this is. So this is what my sister and I are seeing tonight. Circus Peep Show. This is the trapeze. I'm really looking forward to it. But I also really want to see this. Great name. Also really want to see this. Girls Aloud. It's not the tucking kind, it's a drag show for Girls Aloud. We are at the Underbelly at South Bank, right by the London Eye. Got a pint of Pimm's. What a lovely day. So my sister and I just went to see a circus show called Peep Show, the Svengali tent, I think it's called. But our parents have come to a different theatre thing tonight, Disney Fantasia at the Waterloo Vaults. So I've decided that we should walk there and meet them. And this is another great part of London if you haven't been here before, because it's just full of amazing graffiti. Absolutely loving this. And it goes all the way down and it's all just covered in graffiti. It's so cool. And there's always like interactive theatre things going on in the like train tunnels. I've seen loads of really cool interactive stuff here. And there's like restaurants. Oh my god, these bins are so cool. Look at them. Hey guys, the cat ears are on. That can only mean one thing. Sorting my life out. I always put them on when I'm like tidying my room and doing life admin, errands, stuff. It's Thursday. I've just made myself some lunch. I haven't even like started doing work yet today, and it's lunchtime, so I feel really guilty. But sometimes you've just got to sort your life out. Like I wasn't feeling inspired to work because my desk was a mess, so I was like, tidying my desk and my room is a priority. Couscous, mushroom and rice bake, and broccoli and peronaise. Also just catching up on the Australian Love Island, which is so much better than ours. I've come to Sainsbury's to do my food shop. It's Thursday, so it's like the weirdest time to do it, but I am in the next couple of days and the weekend. I'm gonna pop you in the NutriBullet and show you what I got from Sainsbury's. Got myself a Nectar card, didn't I? I used to be nearest to a Tesco, now it's a Sainsbury's. I don't have a Nectar card, so picked one up. Salad, a little quiche Lorraine. That they are for lunches, so I can have like salad and quiche with some apples. I'm gonna make my favourite goat's cheese salad. I feel like I haven't had it in ages. Yeah, with some Somerset goat's cheese, so that will be nice lunches over the next couple of days. I got some Bombay mix as a snack, one of my favourite snacks. I got some hummus, but I've just realised I didn't get anything to go with it. Like, I don't have any pita bread and I don't have any celery, so I'm gonna have to pop back out tomorrow and get some of that. Cheese. Tonight I want to make a red Thai curry, so I got some chicken breast, some coconut milk, and I've already got some red curry paste. But I also picked up some Thai green paste as well, because I do want to make more of that in future. I got some baby corn and moj too for my Thai green curry as well, and I'll just do that with basmati rice. A pineapple! I'm obsessed with pineapple at the moment. I'm really excited about this. Some tongs, because I think I left my old tongs at my old flat and it makes me really sad because they were my favourite utensil. So I've got these. Got some jam because I have been fancying jam on toast. And I've also picked up some more peronaise because I'm running out. So that is everything. Still got my birthday cake here. I should probably get rid of that. There are some really cute like cafe places around mine. So I've decided to spend the rest of the afternoon working from one of them. So I'm gonna go there, get myself a coffee and finish editing Sunday's video. I got a paddling pool for my birthday. It's one of the things I really wanted. Disney Princess paddling pool, but look at the weather. It's so miserable. As soon as the sun comes back out again, I'm blowing this bad boy up because that's all I want in life, to sit outside with my feet in a paddling pool in the sun. So I went and worked from a cafe near mine and it was really nice. I ended up talking to a guy who's sitting next to me because he was sitting next to me chatting to this girl, and I was like, they have literally just met, I could just tell. And then they swapped numbers and I was getting really excited that I was witnessing like first love, and then it was just so exciting and I was loving life. And then I after she left, he had the biggest grin on his face and I went up and spoke to him about it, and I was like, did you guys just meet? And he was like, yeah. And he was like, that never happens in London. He said he'd just come back from South Africa where everyone is so friendly and talks to each other, and how he wasn't expecting it to happen. But yeah, they met, swapped numbers, and I said if I see him in there again then I want an update on if they went on a date, because I just love. Home now, cooking dinner with the girls. I'm making a Thai red curry, but my coconut milk's just curdled, so I had a little hissy fit, but I think it'll be fine.
It's not curdled.
It's not curdled. It has curdled. Rianne has made vegan creamy pasta and it is the most delicious thing I've ever tasted. So I'm going to share that recipe when I make it soon. Made from cashew nuts and cauliflower. This is mine. Yum. We just watched the first episode of Sharp Objects on Now TV, which we really enjoyed. Cannot wait to watch the rest of them with the girls, but I'm going to go to bed now, so I'll see you soon. Excuse the state of my appearance, but I've just been woken up to the news that we might have a ghost in the house. We have a crime scene in the living room. Look at this. So we came down in the living room this morning to find that all the sunflowers that I had in a vase up here have fallen down. We didn't hear a smash in the night. None of us woke up. But also, the vase was like quite far back here, so I'm not exactly sure how it fell off, unless there was an earthquake that we didn't know about. But yeah, sunflowers down here. Crime scene. Where's the vase? It's over there. What the hell? There's like glass all on this carpet, and the vase has ended up right over here. Now, can someone explain to me how that happened? How it fell off there and ended up over here. It's not like it could have rolled because we've got carpet. Have we got a ghost? Also, this is my favourite vase, so I'm absolutely devastated. Like, my absolute favourite vase. It's just weird that there's bits of it also like here, loads of it here. I don't know if you can see that. And there was even some glass in Rianne's shoe, which was like over here, so it just doesn't make sense. What the hell? Have we got a ghost? Is our new house haunted? Please leave your suggestions on how on earth this could have possibly happened down below. Because also, why would it have even fallen? Like, the sunflowers are quite heavy, but it was so far back on the shelf. Doesn't really make sense. I don't know. Stella and I are tidying up. We've just put another vase. If the same thing happens,
then we definitely have a ghost.
then we definitely have a ghost. But look, the vase travelled across the room, and it like with water in it, because there's still a puddle of water here. It's so weird. I'm just going to vacuum the carpet now to get all the glass up, but it's very weird. So Stella and I, Stella's working from home today. We just went to the cafe to do some work. There was another really hot guy in there as well though, so we might go back there and see if he's around in the future. I'm going to my parents' house now just to work there from the evening. So we're going to do an escape room this afternoon in Hornchurch. It's a possessed doll escape room, which sounds horrific, but it should be fun, and I thought I'd take you along. But I just wanted to show you a delivery that I got yesterday. This is from Interflora, and they have teamed up with this gin, Pinkster Gin. This is raspberry infused gin, and they've kind of collaborated together to create this gorgeous bunch. It's just so gorgeous. Like, I don't think I've ever had a bunch of flowers that have looked so beautiful. So you've got roses, you've got lisianthus, you've also got spray veronica in here. So I'm definitely up for trying this gin as well. I might give this a go at the weekend. I just wanted to show you that. I'm going to put some lipstick on. This is the first I reached for. Kate Moss. This is Romall number 32. That'll do. Let's go to my parents' house. It's quite a lot later now. I'm coming to a Chinese restaurant with my parents near the escape room, so we're just going to have a quick dinner here. I've got some aubergine and black bean, and we've got some vegetarian curry and some rice and chow mein as well. This is the escape rooms. We're doing the possessed Ouija board doll one, which looks horrible. I hate Ouija boards. We just did the escape room. My mum has just found a spider in her hair. It was quite good. It wasn't my favourite. I thought it was quite hard. We didn't actually escape. It was the first ever escape room that I think we haven't got out of. So I'm angry because I'm really competitive. But there were some fun moments in it, so I'll leave a link to it down below. Apparently, wait, what did they say? Apparently it had a 35% success rate. So that's really hard, yeah. It's very
he
hard.
said we were good to get into that.
Yeah, there was a second room, and we were apparently some of the few that actually made it into that. So I don't know. I did nearly wet myself at one point though.
I did wet myself at a couple of points.
And I think I'm gonna have a sore throat tomorrow because I screamed quite a lot.